Yoruba TV 247. We are always on for you, yeah.
Pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́.
Ẹ sà mo bẹ̀ mo fi Ọlọ́run bẹ̀. Torí ẹni tó bá dúró ti ìyàwó ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ tó ń rọbí, ó yẹ kó mọ usefulness ọmọ lọ́mọ. Enough is enough. Tó bá ti fẹnu sọ tí ò bá ti gbà kó lọ́jọ́ kó ta ọmọ ẹ̀. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa kú tí mọ́tò bá pa ìdajì àwọn ará Àkúrẹ́. Àfọ̀bẹ́pẹ́ lọ́hùn mà ní Lóńdó táwọn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe máa ṣògùn wọn máa tún jajá. Kúrẹ́tì tó animal. Pàtó wọn pajá lójú òyìnbó wọn mà lè sùn wọn. Ẹran mà náà ṣe.
Ìṣòwò rẹ ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́.
Ẹ sà bó bá tún lè bá mi lọ síbẹ̀ inú mi á dùn.
Ó máa yóò rí fídíò iná yóò rí.
Mo ti sọ tèmi. Àbúrò mi ní èèyàn mi ni. He is a very good person but eléyìí ti tó.
Pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́.
Gbogbo àlejò síta àti ṣí èrè lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà. It's okay.
Eléyìí ló ń pè ní ìmọ̀ràn bàbá sọ́mọ.
Ẹ sà kò sí mo tó lè ṣe tí ò ní affect mi. Kì í ṣe aláàtà sí mi. Kì í ṣe aláàtà sí mi o.
Ọmọ yẹn léṣòwò rẹ.
Ẹ sà mo ní kì í ṣe aláàtà sí mi. Ó súnmọ́ mi jù Ìgbòho lọ. Ìgbòho is my spiritual son. But that is a biological.
Ní ọmọ yẹn léṣòwò rẹ.
Ẹ sà ibi tó ń lọ ni mo ń lọ. Tó bá lé wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lé ní the same motor la máa wọ̀.
Ṣùgbọ́n kò ṣe
Ó ṣe
pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́.
jẹ́jẹ́ ó ti try. Tó bá ti sọ nǹkan tó fẹ́ kí wọ́n gbọ́. Tó bá gbọ́ kan gbọ́ Nàìjíríà ò kì í gbọ́rọ̀. Even ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí loyal peace. Òróró ti rọ́ṣẹ́ tí wàá Nàìjíríà tẹ́lẹ̀.
Yoruba TV 247. We are always on for you, yeah.
Doing Tinubu and El-Rufai people, they should pressurize and put pressure. Because I said in the morning, we want to grant them bail. Wọ́n dá padà láti mọ́lé. Unless wọ́n gbé àníjọba mọ́, tàbá fẹ́ ṣèjọba kó padà síbẹ̀, kó face the route. Àwọn the other man tó lóun the chief judge of the federation, àwọn brutal, gbogbo wọn náà ṣì máa ṣàjọ. Wọ́n kàn pín owó yẹn báṣubàṣu ni lákàn mọ̀ pé àníjàbọ̀ fọlọ́hún. Àwọn kan tó pariwo pé Tinubu yáwó, yes. Ṣèbí tẹ́ èèyàn bá yáwó kò ní lè invest. Tó bá yáwó wà á mọ̀ kó tó fẹ́ fowó ṣe. Ẹni tí ò bá ayábọ̀ ṣe sì rí kò lè rán transport gidi. So gbogbo títì méjèèjì tó ń ṣe tí a bá ti connect ẹ̀ mọ́ CBN ká tó ní 3 years gbogbo owó yẹn máa pé. Àná ṣe títì o lè pẹja ní Bayelsa kó wá tà ní Èkó. Is it that you go by train or you go by vehicle? Under 3 hours you are in Bayelsa. Then eléyìí tí máa tún lọ sí tó fẹ́ lọ sí Ondo State tẹ́lẹ̀ táwọn Òjẹ̀bú máa kó wàhálà lẹ̀ lọ láàrin títí ọ̀nà wéètò yìí sì Coastal Road àti lọ́ntìmánì. So he is doing the best. Yé bá àwọn Tinubu àwọn Àtíkù àwọn Ọbásanjọ́ ló ta gbogbo ló kó wá sí wàhálà yìí. Look at Glo TV. Look at all this DSTV gbogbo ẹ̀. Then again kankan bẹ̀ ẹ wo yẹn tó Àtíkù wo kíní wọ̀nyẹn dànù. Mo máa bring gbogbo ẹ̀ wá kẹ́ wo náà. Àtíkù is a spoiler. Ọbásanjọ́ is a spoiler. All the people that work with Obasanjo in their own regime, they are all spoiler. Ṣé bá Obasanjo ló kọ́ wa máa jẹ́ gbé Ghana must go owó? Still looking for Oṣè civilian Oṣè president. He is still the same one. Till tomorrow tó kọ́ ní kọ́ lọ mú Ìyábọ̀ wá. Kí ni Ìyábọ̀ tó fẹ́ ṣe lókun state? Kó máa mú Ìyábọ̀ lọ sí Anambra náà. Kó káwọn ọmọ wọ̀nyí lọ lé. Kó lọ fi lé hàn wọ́n náà. Ṣé ìlú ìyá yìí ló máa ra ọmọ yìí máa jẹrà sí ni?
Pépé ọkọ̀ bá rò kúrò sà.
A padà sílé náà ẹ bá sọ̀rọ̀. Then gbogbo àwọn Ìgbò tí ń ṣe mítì káàkiri yìí sìn. Wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ tún gbé fẹ́ tún lọ tiwọ́ bọ INEC. Kò lè wọ́ọ̀kì lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wọn lè wọlé mọ́ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Torí wàhálà yẹn ò lè ṣe wálẹ̀ méjì kò possible. The more tó bá dọ̀tún ọjọ́ mẹ́rin tá máa dìbò wọ́n lè má rorúkọ wọn bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ṣe all is gonna be story. Nígbà tó bá ti tó bá ti jẹ́ torúkọ tó bá ti jẹ́ Yorùbá ní gbogbo area ọ̀dọ́ wọn ṣe bí àmájọ dósítà máa rí gbogbo ẹ̀. Eléyà ṣe béèyàn ní òru bèbè ní pé kí orúkọ INEC chief lọ́jọ́ Àtàhírù Jẹ̀gá. Nǹkan tó ń kọ́lé lọ́wọ́ ló ṣe. Láti ìgbà yẹn ṣé ó ti kú ni kò kú náà. The president has INEC. The president has the final say and he's a Senate president and House of Assembly member. Ṣé bójú wa làwọn di méjì bá ń kọ́ lè fi House of Assembly lọ yáwó ń bá ní. Lẹ́yìn kí ló fẹ́ ká ṣe sí.
Bàbá Kújé gba Ṣòwòrẹ́ lálejò láìpẹ́ yìí bàbá kí lẹ rí sí i.
sáà ṣe rí téèyàn bá bímọ tó bá mọ bó ṣe ń gbọ́ music, àwọn music kan wà kò sí béèyàn lè fagbádá jó kéèyàn fagbádá kó fi jó Bob Marley kò ní ní mínì. then kò dẹ̀ sí béèyàn ṣe lè fi ẹni tí yóò mọ jójó tọ́lọ́run bá ràn lọ́wọ́ torí agbádá bàbá ìgbé lọ patí níbi tí Sunny ti ń kọrin ó sì máa gba yìí kó tó fi sọ́tún kó tó fi sí gbogbo ẹ̀wọ̀n náà orí lè jó gan òun fúnra ẹ̀kọ́ ló mọ jójó aṣọ yìí ló ń tì kiri. Sowore ti mọ̀ pé Yorùbá ló wà lórí oyè èwo láriwo ọjọ́ ta kọ́ dáwọ́ fún Sowore tó ń ṣe gbogbo everything kò give account. ṣé Sowore ṣèrò pé ọmọdé lòun ni pé bọ́n ṣe ṣe University of Lagos tí wọ́n bá kọ̀wé ẹ̀mí gígùn fún ẹ ó ṣe lọ bá àwọn ará ilé ẹ̀ kan gbàdúrà kó lè lẹ́mí gígùn. wọ́n lọ promise Kánú wọ́n máa lọ sí Kánú wọ́n máa lọ match ní London wọ́n máa lọ match ní Abuja. kí ni lẹ́yìn yẹn Kánú pàpà ó fún ara ẹ̀ bá ṣe ara ẹ̀ jẹ́. Kánú lòun fẹ́ ṣe lọ́ọ̀yà ara àwọn Kánú olódo. níbo ni Kánú ti ṣiṣẹ́ rí ní Nàìjíríà àbí ibo kan ṣàyé wá tó ń farú Kánú kalẹ̀ pé kó lọ represent Ìgbò. owó Yorùbá lọ ṣúà àwọn èèyàn gidi everywhere in the world. That's number one. Then number two, Sowore dẹ́ẹ̀rì kan òyìnbó kan wà ní wọ́n ní dẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́ mìràwó tí ìlú bá ti ń le jù.
ó ṣe láti ya.
kó jọ tíjọba bá tiwọ́ bọ̀ lára ó lè délé kó abẹ̀ sí yàgbẹ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ o ó dẹ̀ lè délé kó abẹ̀ sí wúkọ́ ó lè délé kó sí nǹkan tá a máa ṣe inú ẹ o ọ̀dọ́ bí àwọn ọmọ ẹ ti dàgbà wọ́n ti lè dágbé pósí sókè but ìjọba kan lọ ìjọba kan bọ̀ ilé ayé dúró títí ayé o.
bàbá ṣùgbọ́n mẹ̀kúnnù ló ń jà fún un.
kò sí mẹ̀kúnnù ní Nàìjíríà kò sẹ́ni tí ò ti wọ́ bẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà kò sólódodo ní Nàìjíríà dání mẹ̀kúnnù jẹ́ mẹ̀kúnnù tí ò lọ sóko kí ló dé tí ò bẹ mẹ̀kúnnù kan lọ máa dáwó ká má jẹ oúnjẹ àwọn Haúsá mọ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀ lẹ́gbọ́n lọ́wọ́ ìyá tí àwọn tí àwọn state governors ìyá tó fi ń jẹ àwọn chairman abẹ́ wọn kó lọ́wọ́ wọn ẹ̀ náà ẹ lọ́wọ́ owó tí Tinubu mú jáde fáwọn governor billions ní ọmọ etí Lagos state ń gbà ní ìdájí ti wà lákòóso Sanwó-Olú náà. The richest governor today in Africa in the wide world is Sanwó-Olú.
bàbá
nǹkan tó kó ní táìmù COVID kì í ṣe kékeré o ó ti fẹ́ ra gbogbo alẹ́ ǹtàn that's why mi bá gbé gbogbo ìsàlẹ̀ lọ́hùn lọ àwọn àmì náà what the hell are we talking about? Nàìjíríà ò fẹ́ wo Dàpọ̀ nígbà táwọn gọ́fùnà tó ń tí àgbà síṣẹ́ tá a dìbò fún tó ń gun jẹ́ẹ̀tì lójú wa àwa bá gálọ̀pù káàkiri lọ́nà Abẹ́òkúta ajálu gálọ̀pù obìnrin aláboyún mi pàpà kọ́ dákú lọ àṣewá domi ilé omi radiétọ̀ àtiwájí Dàpọ̀ Abíọ́dún ti fò kọjá ẹ jọ sá ṣé wọ́n wá sáàfù wa ni àbọ̀ wọ́n wá sáàfù ara wọn kí ni Sowore sọ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tí ó
wọ́n
ṣẹlẹ̀.
ti ẹ̀ wọ́n wò kú wọ ni wọ́n wọ́wọ́ kó kó lẹ́jọ́ lọ sí ìpínlẹ̀.
ẹ̀sà ẹni tó bá mọ bàbá àti ìyá ẹ̀ ẹ̀ẹ́dì ti súnmọ́ o kó ṣọ́ra ẹ̀.
wọ́n ti àlọ́mọ Oǹdó ni.
inú ẹ̀sà Oǹdó ràn orí ìsàkì lọ́rùn ẹ̀ tí Oǹdó bí àwọn ṣebí ìlú yìí náà làwọn Fálàyé tí ẹ ṣì wà lọ́rùn ẹ̀ dọ́là tó ní ká so bẹ́ẹ̀tì máàrin méjì structural adjustment tó ń gbọ́rọ̀ sí Babangida lẹ́nu ṣèbójú wa náà Àgàgù tíyẹn mu títí plane ní bókìtì lẹ́ẹ̀mejì ẹ̀bọ́n Oǹdó náà nìyẹn ẹ̀ẹ́gọ́hùn náà wò ó tá a bá fẹ́ gbàjọba tá a fẹ́ ṣe ìbéèyàn ní bọ́ọ̀ì tó wà ní South Africa kí lórúkọ bọ́ọ̀ì tó ń fún wọn ní wàhálà ní South Africa tó ń gbé lọ́kọ́ ní gbogbo there's one young man a vibrant activist in South Africa màá rántí orúkọ ẹ̀ but kì í ṣe pé ó jáde sí ti tó ti ń sìn náà ti rẹ̀ náà.
mo ti ń rè òun náà báyìí.
owó yọdún tí Mandela lò nínú àtìmọ́lé. 27
years.
ọmọ yọdún tó lò 27 years.
ṣùgbọ́n padà di president Nàìjíríà.
no wọ́n arrange ní Amẹ́ríkà àwọn tó tì í mọ́lé ló arrange tó ń gbé Mandela jáde ní Ronald Reagan àtàwọn tó kù wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé tiẹ̀ ti tán ibi nǹkan tó fẹ́ torí ẹ̀kú rẹ̀
compensate ẹ̀
kó má bá tiẹ̀ lọ ṣèbí kó dó dé àwọn ti ní wọ́n ti ní HIV wọ́n ti ní TB wọ́n ti ní tọ̀hún ṣé kí ló fẹ́ ká ṣe.
ìṣòwò rẹ ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́.
ẹ sà mo fi Ọlọ́run bẹ́ẹ̀ torí ẹni tó bá dúró ti ìyàwó ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ tó ń rọbí ó yẹ kó mọ usefulness ọmọ lọ́mọ enough is enough. tó bá ti fẹnu sọ tí ò bá ti gbà kó lọ́jọ́ kó ta ọmọ ẹ̀ kò sẹ́ni tó máa kú tí mọ́tò bá pa ìdajì àwọn ará Àkúrẹ́ àfọ̀bápá lọ́hùn mà ní lóńdó táwọn wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe máa ṣògùn wọn máa tún jajá Kúrẹ́ títọ́ animal pàtó wọn pajá lójú òyìnbó wọn mà lè sùn wọn ẹran mà náà ṣe.
ìṣòwò rẹ ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́.
ẹ sà mo bá tún lè bá mi lọ síbẹ̀ inú mi á dùn.
ó máa yóò rí fídíò iná yóò rí.
mo ti sọ tèmi àbúrò mi ní èèyàn mi ni he is a very good person but eléyìí ti tó
pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́
gbogbo àlè jásítà àti ṣí èrè lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà it's okay.
eléyìí ló ń pè ní ìmọ̀ràn bàbá sọ́mọ.
ẹ sà kò sí mo tó lè ṣe tí ò ní affect mi kì í ṣe aláàtà sí mi kì í ṣe aláàtà sí mi o.
ọmọ yẹn lè ṣòwò rẹ.
ẹ sà mo ní kì í ṣe aláàtà sí mi ó súnmọ́ mi jù Ìgbòho lọ. Ìgbòho is my spiritual son but that is a biological.
ní ọmọ yẹn lè ṣòwò rẹ.
ẹ sà ibi tó ń lọ ni mò ń lọ tí wọ́n bá lé wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lé ní the same motor la máa wọ̀.
ṣùgbọ́n kò ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́.
ó ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ ó ti try tó bá ti sọ nǹkan tó fẹ́ kí wọ́n gbọ́ tó ń bá gbọ́ kan gbọ́ Nàìjíríà ò kì í gbọ́rọ̀ even ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí loyal peace òróró ti rọ́ṣẹ́ tí wọ́n á Nàìjíríà tẹ́lẹ̀ kí Nàìjíríà ṣètò wà loyal peace tó ń fẹ́ gbé tí kan rìn.
bàbá aláìpẹ́ pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run ni wọ́n máa dìbò ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun.
Yes sir.
Adémọ́lá Adélékè.
Yes sir.
Ambo ti APC àti ọkùnrin kan náà tí ó wá láti inú ẹgbẹ́ ADC. bàbá ǹjẹ́ Ọlọ́run tiẹ̀ fi kí lọ́lọ́run sọ fún nípa ìbò tó bọ̀ ní August ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun.
Yes sir. Adélékè ti lu nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ wọ́n ti rí i wọ́n ti ṣe gọ́vùnà wọ́n ti ṣe sẹ́nẹ́tọ̀ ó ti tàn kí lọ́lọ́run tún fẹ́ ṣe fún ọtí ti ṣe kó máa lọ lé kò lè wọlé mọ́. ẹ wo èjì tó lọ fi ṣe school sat lọ́jọ́ yẹn ibi tó ń dájọ́ bò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ school sat ẹ̀ pàápàá wọ́n ti lè sílẹ̀ wọ́n ti máa fi bu nínú campaign so the other Ambo ní kàn fàyè lẹ̀ fún Bánjí ló máa wọlé bẹ̀sẹ̀.
bàbá
ẹ ṣe bí mo ti sọ fún ẹ tẹ́lẹ̀ kan tó ṣe mo sọ ti Adédìbú pẹ̀kẹ̀lẹ̀ mẹ́rin Adélabú mo sọ fún ẹ.
ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan táwọn èèyàn sọ ni pé power of incumbency wà ń bẹ òun ló wà nípò òun ló wà lójókòó sórí gómìnà ń bẹ.
òun kọ́ ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ níbẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe bí kí lorúkọ bọ́ọ̀ì tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ kí lorúkọ SAN òun ló ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ o ti rí speech tó kàrí lójú iwájú ẹ̀ ni kó ká speech náà àfi tó bá máa jó ibi jó ẹ̀ láàrí throughout.
ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ní kí ẹ̀ náà fi yan Ọlọ́run ni.
ẹ ṣàdó ìgò tó Ọlọ́run ní Nàìjíríà ẹni tó rọmi sínú ìgò yìí kò lè wọnú ìgò.
kò sí ń bẹ̀.
nígbà tí Jésù máa ṣe tó gòkèrè ọ̀run lọ bá bàbá ẹ̀ ó kàn jó kọ̀ yẹ pé ó yan ijó láàyò ní ijó kọ̀ lèèyàn fẹ́ wá rí action ní sáà ó kàn kó jáde síta ní Ìkẹjà ní kò bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ijó wọ́n á máa wò ẹ́ bí wèrè ṣé ijó gidi ní àbọ̀kàn fi ṣe exercise ọdún ó wálẹ̀ láti ìgbà tó ṣe gọ́fúnà yìí wéètì ẹ wálẹ̀ ó ṣe exercise yẹn fún ga it's okay ṣe bí wọn tó fẹ́ pẹ́ nìyẹn èèyàn burúkú ní ẹ̀bọ̀ tí sókè máa dá ẹ lóhùn.
bàbá
mo ní máa dá ẹ lóhùn bó ṣe yẹ kó rí.
Adémọ́lá Adélékè lọ́gọ́stì.
ẹ̀sà ó ti lùzì bẹ́ẹ̀.
kó máa lọlé.
ṣé bí wọ́n bẹ̀ fún ni wọ́n ti yọ́ náà tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe bó ti kò wọlé ní the other time ṣe bá kan wọ́n jò mọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ PDP or no PDP ṣe bí NEPA tó ń fẹ́ dálẹ̀ wọ́n ti ṣe nǹkan tó ń rí gbà lọ́wọ́ ìjọba tí èyí kò lè sọnù láyé àbúrò ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ ti ṣe gbogbo kí lórúkọ kíní power station àti gbogbo góòlù tó ń fẹ́ wà àti láìsẹ̀dì àti nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ kó lọ China wọ́n ti tajà tán téèyàn bá tajà tán máa kúrò padà sílé ni àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run.
káwọn ará ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun kan.
ẹ̀sà wọn ò dí Ambo ti wọlé.
kò sí àní-àní nìyẹn o bàbá.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa káàkiri ayé a tún ti ní àǹfààní mìíràn láti bá bàbá wa nínú Olúwa sọ̀rọ̀ kí a sì ṣe ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ lẹ́nu wọn pẹ̀lú wòlíì olókìkí tí gbogbo ayé mọ̀ wòlíì MKO Tibetan ẹni tí àwa mọ̀ tí ẹ̀yin náà mọ̀ àwọn lẹ́ ń wò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí ní àkókò kúkúrú yìí a fẹ́ jíròrò ní ṣókí nípa orílẹ̀-èdè kan tí ń dojúkọ àìlábòbò ìwà ìbàjẹ́ ìṣòro ọrọ̀ ajé àti ìdàrúdàpọ̀ láwùjọ a sì fẹ́ kí gbogbo ohun tí a máa jíròrò lé lórí lákòókò yìí kí ó jẹ́ ohun tí ó mú òdodo àti ìjẹ́rìí ojúṣe ga, kí ó fi ìdarí rere hàn, kí a tún fi ipa ẹ̀mí hàn, kí ó sì jẹ́ ọ̀nà sí ìmúláradá orílẹ̀-èdè wa ní àsìkò yìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ bá mi ká lọ. Bàbá, I want your opinion.
How are you, sir?
Over this?
Well, today I'm still fine. I don't know to tomorrow, but today I'm fine.
Yeah. Our first question will proceed in this form on the state of the nation, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the nation is bleeding
Okay.
from many wounds. In your view, both physically and spiritually, what is the root cause of our present crisis?
Thank you very much. I will never stop telling you the truth and nothing but the truth.
We know you for that, sir.
If you tell me Nigeria is bleeding, you are right. And if you tell me Nigeria is sleeping, you are right. And if you tell me Nigeria is lost, I would tell you are right. And if you tell me that Nigeria is sick, is at the intensive care in the hospital, I will tell you you're right. Because you knew me of late. There was a time I told you during the time of Goodluck Jonathan that Nigeria is sick, is in the intensive care. That was when at least Madueke, Obasanjo, and all of them gang up to and Igbo gang up together, proving as if Nigeria belonged to the Igbos. And that was why I said I want to give you one interview, which I sent it to you.
Yeah.
When virtually half of everybody in the Senate, the House of Assembly, everywhere are Igbos. So that was the time they have the right to pick all this money they are spending today. Their determination was to buy Lagos. Every determination of the Igbos was to buy the whole Lagos. But they never knew. CFO can change at any time. And the man that sold you house, the land can come and said, he didn't know you. So how would it be? Because if you are not son of the soil, there is little you can fall. And look at what happened. You are asking me the country is bleeding. Yeah. Babangida is trying to tell Nigerians that I didn't mean he failed to take the capital to Abuja. The North will not be relevant again in life. That is one. So why would the country not bleed? With even one man is using his brain. You know the amount of billions we have been taking to fix Abuja as a capital. And there is no a country that have a capital in core desert succeeded in life. They cannot succeed.
Wow.
Go to New York, go to everywhere. There must be a big, the seaport, everything has to be around the place. But now they take the place to the forest. Through the help of the naughty, accurate man, Akeola Aguda, who said he's the one helping us to survey the land, that the center of Nigeria is Abuja, which is a lie. Anything you started with lie, we end up with what? With lie. So automatically, Nigeria is not bleeding. We have been wasting all what we have. Nobody can hold the hand of those people who are wasting Nigeria. Those that made Nigeria to bleed are Babangida, Obasanjo, Atiku, and Oshibajo, and Azikwe, Odume Gojuku. These are the people that made Nigeria to bleed. Including Goodluck Jonathan and Obasanjo. Obasanjo go back and forth into the ruling house. But there's nothing to show. So these are the people that make Nigeria to bleed. Not Tinubu. Tinubu did not make Nigeria to bleed. So you know, what you did not destroy, what you did not break, you will not know how to fix it. It's not the fault of Tinubu. And the country has expired 2014. 2014. The prophets and then the soothsayer that helped Lord Lugard said, if the company, the marriage, the fake marriage they did to us does not work, we can separate for after 100 years. Then what are we still waiting for? Look at the remnant of what he said we should do. Let Igbo go, let Yoruba go. Let Hausa go their way. If Hausa want to divide their own land with the Fulani, no problem. But Fulani do not have a place in Lagos. Fulani do not have a place in Benin. Fulani do not have a place in Akure. Fulani do not have a place in Odeaye because we never know them. They don't have a place. They are not coming to have a place. Do you remember when the president was trying to tell you Buhari was trying to tell you. He said he cannot even feel free to work with anybody in Aso Rock if he's not a Fulani person. Then when you look at all the Boko Haram team we see today, it was all the governor that came from Fulani, the Fulani axis. Look at Kano. Look at what is happening again in Kwara. It's the governor that is that is because they wanted to take the mineral resources, and the law will expose them before the end of May, and which has started. Then by June, July, you will see what they will do to the governor of Kwara, the governor of Oyo, and the governor of Ogun State. They are going to expose them. Government is the governors and the people around those states. And when you look at all what Oni is doing in Ife, you will know that these people they did not mean well for Nigeria. If you ask me, Nigeria is bleeding, go and arrest Oni. If you ask me, Nigeria is bleeding, go and arrest Obasanjo. And if you ask me, Nigeria is bleeding, go and ask Benga Daniel. Go and arrest all these people. Even the present governors, they are all there doing all sorts of rubbish thing. So if we do not know where we are going, look at America, look at Nigeria and everywhere. In London, they give everybody to use his talent. They allow everybody to what? To use his talent. But nowadays, Nigeria shocked everybody up. They shocked virtually everybody up. So what is the point for even saying Nigeria will not bleed? So when we look at when Babangida packed all the brains from Yoruba, from Igbo, he put them inside the Hercules. One fateful afternoon, he plumbed them inside Ejibo. And they even said because they saw the tail of the plane, they can see it. Julius Bigger says he can see it. He said no. So automatically, the Boko Haram we are talking about started with these people. And because they said, look at when they were fixing the plate number. Do you think Babangida did not see the plate number? He saw it. When they said Kaduna is born to rule. And look at where they take all the thing we have in Nigeria. Head of Navy is in Kaduna. Head of Air Force in Kaduna. Wherever this police in Kaduna. Everything. So they are not nearer to raw materials. And when you are taking pipeline from Niger Delta, saying that we are going to have a refinery in what? In Kaduna. So how do you do that? How do you do that? We are too wasteful. And look at Babangida, look at Gowon and the rest people say Udoji Award. That Nigeria had to excess money. That means people that has no brain has been ruling Nigeria from his section. So we have to bleed.
Wow.
We have to bleed.
Baba, this is brilliant. And if I will have to add up to this question, I will say, because I'm looking at it from another dimension, is what we are witnessing merely a political problem, or is there a deeper spiritual dimension to it?
My brother.
Yes, sir.
When you were talking spiritual,
Yes, sir.
or political that tone, the Lord was telling Jacob and Esau, he said, I love Jacob more than Esau. And what are you talking again? I'm talking about wastage. Wasteful, exorbitant. Do you know how many factory that Obasanjo and Atiku privatized? And look at the trouble we are facing in the hand of South Africa today. After they have removed half of Nigeria, what is in Nigeria treasury on DSCV and all the whole thing. What happened with Nitel when Atiku and Obasanjo was even trying to sell it? Look at the money they collected for the NEPA. Billions of dollars, 16 billion. Then you are not holding them for all these things. Then when you look at after the war, how David Mark, they gave him the opportunity to go and salvage and look at what is left for the country. He was using all this for himself. Then look at Dino Melai. These are all the cars he aligned there. He never have a factory in Nigeria. He wasn't even showcasing cars. Then who inherit the cars after his death? So these are the people. And you are talking about the youth. Is Dino Melai not a youth? Then Kano, is he not to be a youth? Then when you look at the other guy again, the governor, the woman friend of Obasanjo, Ujo Kalu, are they not youth? Even the Obi that was running like headless fish everywhere, and now he wanted to rule Nigeria. Is it not the youth when he was the governor? Then trying to portray before Kotoko said that if anytime he leave Abga, trouble must happen to his house. It's happening now. Whom did Obi wanted to rule? Because he went to all those seminars all about Harvard, this and that and that. But he didn't have school cert. And he didn't even have, he's not a graduate. And if you have money to pay for course, you can go and they will give you certificate. Is that what he wanted you to rule us? After ruling Anambra and run to Abuja to go hang and set up a mall because of Fidelity Bank, they even put the state money. So that shows that Obi, they've made half of the country idle. Is it the idleness is what makes us to see as if there is no way, no headway anywhere. It's idleness. Because people has idea, they wanted to work, but there's no money. If somebody one Northerner took 32 billion, and look at the other people they put in EFCC until the one of Obasanjo, for over 20 years, EFCC cannot probe anybody and put to jail. It's of recent now somebody got to 70 years imprisonment for stealing. Even the other man they arrested of late now, they caught him in the border. That's why they put handcuff in his hands. They believe they can go scot-free with all these things before.
Yoruba TV 247. Yeah, you're home for the culture, your pride of life. Yoruba TV 247. We are always on for you, yeah.
The Truth Table. Truth, History, Reflection.